So Harry, do you have worksheets 5 and 6 with you?
6 only.
This is worksheet 6, yeah? And then this is worksheet 5.
He has 6 now.
He has 6 now. How about 5?
I'm trying to find 5 on the website.
Okay, trying to find 5 on the website. Yeah, okay.
You can go through 6 first if you want.
Okay, can. So because okay, so you are using another computer to settle the problem, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I can start with him with 6 first. Okay, Harry. So nice to see you again. Okay, congratulations on your EduSave Award win. Okay. So this is worksheet 6. Let me show you the tuition website. Okay, this is the 88 tuition website. Do you see it?
Yes.
Okay, so we are actually doing this one already. Worksheet tutorial 6, which is lesson 5 and 6. Okay, Aris? Okay, so let's look at lesson 5 and 6 the videos. All right. Just give me a minute. Go back to the videos 5 and 6. Just remember it's 5 and 6. 5 and 6. Okay, let's go to learn. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, this one animals 1 and animals 2. Okay, 5 and 6. So let's look at the part on classifying animals. Okay, characteristics and classification. Okay, classifying animals. Okay, can you hear the video, Haris?
No, cannot.
Can you hear the video, Haris?
No.
Cannot, right? You can't hear the video. Maybe I change share with sound. Okay, give me a minute. Okay.
Wait to see all my favorite animals.
Okay.
Can you hear, right?
How do we classify animals?
Yeah. Have you watched this video, Haris?
No.
Have you seen it yet?
No.
Because now we're starting classifying animals, and there's a lot of information for you that you need to know first. Then later on, I'll type it out for you to copy. Okay. So let's finish this 5 minutes video. Although it's a bit longer, but we have to finish it.
When you classify, you sort things into groups to show how they are alike. Because there are many kinds of animals, it can help to classify them in different ways. All animals are divided into 2 main groups, vertebrates and invertebrates. A vertebrate is an animal that has a spine or backbone. People are vertebrates. You can feel your spine going all the way up your back and through your neck. Lions, fish, birds, snakes, and even turtles are all vertebrates. An invertebrate is an animal that does not have a spine. Insects like butterflies and grasshoppers are invertebrates. So are spiders, worms, mussels, starfish, and squid. Most of the world's animals are invertebrates. Scientists classify vertebrates and invertebrates into even more groups.
Okay, Haris. Okay, see, can you hear me, Haris? Can you hear me clearly?
Yes.
Okay, good. Because right now, I'm not using the microphone thingy already, so it's very, very clear. Very clear, right?
Yeah.
Very clear and loud, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So you see, right now, there are many animals in the world, and one way to classify them is to put them into animals with backbones, which is vertebrates, and animals without backbones, invertebrates. Can Haris?
Can.
Okay, so invertebrates and vertebrates, all right. And what else should I talk about? So look at the vertebrates. Okay, there are many kinds of vertebrates which you're going to study later on. Okay, and there are also many kinds of invertebrates that you need to study. All right. Okay.
Okay.
What are mammals? Mammals are vertebrates that get milk from their mothers when they are very young. They breathe air with lungs and have hair or fur. Right, Moby? people are mammals. Some mammals live in water, like whales. But they still have lungs to breathe oxygen, so they need to come up for air. They even have hair. The smallest mammal in the world is the bumblebee bat. It's about the size of a thumb. Bats are the only mammals that fly like birds. But what are birds?
Okay, Haris, just now we studied, okay, just now this little girl, she taught us something about mammals already, okay? So if you look at this, which one is this? Worksheet 6, all right? Haris, can you copy the side notes down? Remember that time I told you that you got to prepare a notebook. Okay, so come, let's, wait, what did I just press? Wait. Shape format, I need to insert a new slide, yeah? Okay, Haris. So mammals, what's so special about mammals, all right? Okay, characteristics of mammals. Okay, mammals. Okay, let me just make the words bigger so they can see. Do you have your notebook with you, Haris?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, mammals, okay. They have hair or fur, okay? Okay, sorry, they're covered in hair or fur, okay, maybe a better word, okay. They're covered in hair or fur, they okay, they can suckle their young, eh? They suckle their young, in other words, they produce, okay. All right, and they also give birth to live young, okay? Can you write this down, Haris?
Okay.
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 Yeah, let's continue the video. Okay.
Birds are vertebrates, and they're the only animals that have feathers. Birds have a beak, 2 wings, and 2 legs. They also lay eggs, and most care for their young. No, Moby, not all birds fly. Penguins are flightless birds. They dive and swim to hunt for fish. What are fish?
Okay, so that's birds for you. Okay, so write down the characteristics of birds, yeah? So now, let's have another. So, Haris, let's study birds now. Okay, birds, another group of vertebrates, yeah? They have backbones and make it bigger. It's big, right? Big, too big. Birds, what do they do? Okay, they're covered in feathers, yeah? Okay, they lay eggs, all right, and they all have a beak, Okay, Haris, write this down.
Okay.
Right. Now let's go to fish already. Okay, the teacher's going on to fish. Yeah. Okay, let's continue the video.
Most fish are vertebrates that live in water. Fish have gills to help them breathe and take in oxygen out of the water. Many have scales, which help them move through the water. Sharks and stingrays are also fish. They have gills, but they don't have scales. Their bodies are made out of cartilage. It's the same stuff that's in our nose and ears. Some animals spend time in water and on land. What are amphibians?
Okay, so that was fish, right? Okay, so Haris, what did you hear about fish? What's so special about fish now?
They
Yeah.
have scales.
They have scales, yeah. Fish. Okay, they have scales, covered in scales, yeah. And they breathe using what?
They breathe using gills.
Yes, okay, and they also lay eggs, yeah. Okay, Haris, very good, okay. Have you learned this in school, Haris?
Yes.
Okay, so we're just going to do a quick recap, all right? Okay, now let's look at the other one, amphibians.
Amphibians are animals that have adapted to live on water and land. Right, frogs are amphibians. They hatch from tiny, soft eggs in the water. When they're tadpoles, they breathe through gills and live underwater. As they get older, most frogs grow lungs to help them breathe on land. Many amphibians can breathe underwater through their skin, which takes oxygen out of the water. Toads, salamanders, newts, and caecilians are all types of amphibians. Amphibians are cold-blooded.
Okay, see, amphibians are very unique group. Okay, are very unique animals. Okay, amphibians are very unique animals. Look at the adult stage. Okay, the adult stage can live on land and in water. Okay, but then the young must live in water. Okay, so let me just put in no, not comments. Okay, my bad, not comments, but instead put in the text box. Okay, let me just put oops, bad. Text box, text box. Where is my insert text box? Okay, here. Okay, amphibians, Haris. The young must live in water, but the adults can live in water and on land, yeah? Okay. They have moist skin, okay? They have moist skin. Adults live on land and in water, okay? But young live in water, okay? Haris, write this down, yeah? And the adults here use lungs and moist skin to breathe, okay? Okay, moist skin to breathe, and young use gills to breathe, okay, in water. Okay, the moist skin is for water breathing, okay, water. And the lungs is for land. Okay, write this down, okay.